Ever had to dig up a football oval at an active school without interrupting a single class? Yeah, that was us. This is Geoscope, and today we're showing you how we pinpointed a massive Sydney water pipe hidden beneath a busy campus without causing chaos. So we got the call from a certain architecture firm. They were revamping facilities at Shire Christian School. The catch? Underneath that sports field lurked a Sydney water easement, which could be 2, 3, maybe even 4 meters deep. Here in Australia, especially around Sydney, you can't just start digging if there's a chance you'll hit vital utilities. You need to follow Australian Standard 5488 guidelines for subsurface utility information. That's where we come in. School projects are no joke. Safety is priority one. We couldn't just roll up with excavators and start ripping up turf. Not only were we dealing with a possible deep utility, but we also had to coordinate with school staff, teachers, and hundreds of students walking around. On top of that, the Sydney water main might be buried under layers of fill, meaning it could be 3 meters or more below ground. If we messed up, it'd be big trouble. Costly delays, potential flooding, or even legal issues for the architects. First up, the desktop investigation. This step is so underrated. We comb through dial-before-you-dig info, old site plans, existing survey data, and even historical aerials. We check the soil history, any sign of cut-and-fill operations, and confirm if the ground has been leveled or re-leveled over the years. By following AS 5488 guidelines, we classify the utility info from QLD to QLB. This tells us if we'll need further detailed scanning or direct exposure. Time to hit the field, literally. For a QLB investigation, we use ground-penetrating radar and electromagnetic locating to mark the pipe's alignment at surface level. With GPR, we send radar pulses into the ground, and any difference in material, like a pipe, bounces back a signal. In a busy school, we do this after hours or during scheduled windows, so we're not tripping over recess or PE classes. Once we confirm the signals and cross-reference them with our desktop findings, we're confident where the pipeline likely is and how deep. Next up, QLA. That stands for Quality Level A, the highest accuracy for utility mapping. We use non-destructive digging, specifically vacuum excavation, to physically expose the pipe. Picture a massive truck with a high-powered vacuum and pressurized water. We safely loosen the soil around the pipe and then vacuum it out. Zero damage to the utility itself. This method complies with National Excavation Safety Standards and the Safe Work Australia Excavation Work Code of Practice. It's basically a non-invasive surgery for the ground. This confirmed the pipe's exact location and depth, down to the centimeter. No guesswork left. Now for the nerdy part, data processing. We take all those field measurements, cross-sections, and scans, then compile them into a detailed subsurface utility plan. This meets or exceeds 5488 classification standards, ensuring that our clients, like the architects, have complete confidence in the final data. End result, a crystal clear map. So if they need to design footings, drainage, or any structure near that pipeline, they know exactly where to plan. No more crossing fingers hoping you don't burst a main. So how'd it turn out? Let's just say the school's footy oval is still in great shape. No leaks, no fiascos, and the architecture firm is full steam ahead on their design. According to their feedback, they loved our friendliness, thoroughness, and the fact that we finished on time, on budget. Ready to keep your project on track? Whether it's a school, shopping center, or a random backyard, Geoscope has the tech and the know-how to handle it. Click the link in the description or visit geoscopelocating.com.au. Don't wait until you have a problem. Plan ahead. Smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world utility locating success stories, only here on Geoscope TV.